Yo, I'm back. What's up, YouTube? Jerryland here with Nova Tech. Get me back in that algorithm. Hit that subscribe button and that like button before this video even starts. I said I'd show you the studio a little bit more. Literally just set this up a couple days ago. It's a lot of fun. Here, let me zoom out a little bit. This is a little nook in my own studio now. Yes, in my house, I have a dedicated room for YouTube now. It's awesome. If you can see up there, here's the black one, there's an orange one, and there's a gray one. I plan on getting more. I really like the look of, having a backdrop like this and a desk setup. And I want to shout out to the Everyday Dad. Shout out to, oh geez, I can't even think right now. I'm too tired and too stressed from making a YouTube video. It's been a while. Shout out to the Everyday Dad. I think he has a cool setup like this, and I just love anyone on YouTube who shares their YouTube studio. That is my favorite thing to watch, people's different YouTube studios or office setups for YouTube, and there's not enough of them out there, and they don't get enough love. So go check out some of those. If you are a YouTuber out there, make one. I want to give a shout out to Gerald Undone. His new series is awesome. I love every single episode. I had something similar I wanted to do, but never executed. So Gerald, thanks for making it happen, and I absolutely love watching your videos. And yeah, let's just give you a quick, it's not much to show yet, but I will show you more in the future. Let's go. Yeah, so this is this little corner nook. Got a window here, give me some natural light while I'm filming. I plan on using this old TV as like a monitor, while I'm filming. That'd be kind of cool. This is a standing desk right here. I'll link that below. And just a temporary setup. Aperture Tri-8, just temporary as my key light. I have a 120D, just haven't unboxed it yet. This is not the best vlogging setup. Sorry about the audio and everything. Have a carpet down there just to help out. These are vinyl floors that I put in with my family. Carpet just for some sound dampening. Looking at this corner, this is just temporarily put here. I gotta figure out something. I want to create a ton of sets in this room. Bare brick, my ukulele, this gear storage closet, temporarily with shoes in it. And it's kind of quick rundown of the studio. This is just my own studio and I can't wait for it. Yes, I still need to change some stuff, and if I walk out here, this right outside the studio is another gear closet. Oh my gosh, white balance, that's terrible. But yeah, it's just, guys, I have my own space. And sneak peek, office. Yeah. So that was just a quick sneak peek. Subscribe for more.